It's finally here. Guys, get some colors on the box. The Fold has definitely came home. So, we're going to get to it. Unbox it. It's like a anticipation. Sliding it out. Alright, we're going to pull this all the way off. And we're going to set that bad baby right there so y'all can see it. And this is what the box looks like so far. Looks like the phone is in here. So we're going to slide that on out. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Looks like it's a box. I'm assuming the phone is fully in there. Okay. Set that there. We got some instructions here. I'll let y'all see that. You can read that out. Your Galaxy Fold comes with specialized customer care services designed to deliver the best possible foldable experience to our valued customers. Wow. So you definitely want to make sure you read all this here. You got Fold Concierge. So you got that. And then from here, got some more information. This is really nice on Fold the Future. You guys see that. So, and then, looks like we get the Galaxy Buds in here. Okay, case. Looks like almost carbon fiber, but let y'all see that. AT&T for sure. Set that there. Go ahead and open the phone up. Ooh. Looks like this has special care instructions. Do not press on the screen with a hard, sharp object, such as a pen or fingernail, or apply excessive pressure. When folding the device, do not place any objects, such as cards, coins, or keys on the screen. This device is not water or dust resistant. Do not expose to liquids or small particles. Do not attach any adhesive such as films or stickers to the main screen or remove the top protective layer. Your device contains magnets. That's a big thing. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets such as credit cards and implantable medical devices. If you have an implantable medical device, consult your physician before use. Great. So it's like there's a tab that lifts this up and lifts the phone out. I'll set that there since we read that. Okay. It's like it's definitely a fingerprint magnet, but there she is. Fold, smooth. Got the Samsung. So yeah, I can see. That's really nice. Okay. Looks like you got the buds in here. Let's set that down there. The wireless buds as well. SIM card, activate, get it activated. Comes with the power cable for it. And a little smart switch adapter. Definitely gonna need that to transfer everything. Let's see what comes in this box. Oh, this is the charging cable. Aha, and extra buds for the Galaxy Tips. USB-C. I love it. Cool. I think that is everything. Shows you the case with the SIM card tray. Looks like a little bit more instructions on here on healthy and safety information. Definitely gonna want to use that, and it's like installations on how to put the case on. So we'll definitely be putting that on. So stay tuned for more with the Galaxy Fold. Looks like it Holds pretty smooth. Gonna get some power on here, and there she goes. She is finally on. Ooh. Samsung. Alright. Because now, you need assistance exploring the I'll edit that. But I'll leave it like this so that way when I edit it, it's cool.